Hi everyone, my name's Miles. I'm a sophomore studying mechanical engineering from Omaha, Nebraska. Today, I caught up with some POViterbi students and asked them why they chose to study engineering and what they hope to do with it after graduation. Let's see what they had to say.
When I was little, I always loved to build things. I used to fiddle around with Legos a lot, and then for my elementary school grad project, I decided to build a computer, and that kind of sparked my interest in engineering. So I plan on working in hardware. Past 2 summers I've worked for Intel, working on pre-silicon and post-silicon validation, and this summer I'll hopefully be getting into some programming, some RTL programming.
So it's more along the lines of doing something related to space. I've always been really interested in space, and ultimately I wanted to do something that was kind of unprecedented, something that no one's ever really done before. And in doing that, I kind of gravitated toward engineering because it's literally creating stuff and seeing how things work and just understanding the fundamentals of everything around you. The way I see it, in 2 years I'll be graduating with a master's degree, so I'm hoping that's enough to be able to go into the private sector for a little bit if I want to. Additionally, I could also go to grad school, which is something that I'm very seriously considering now, especially after my research gigs.
So I think my interest in engineering began in high school. After my junior year, I interned at Boeing, and I got to make a mock-up GUI for a search and rescue device. And I think it was then that I realized all of the applications of computer science, and I wanted to explore that more as I applied to colleges. As of right now, I'm planning on pursuing a PhD in computer science. I think ultimately I want to become a part-time professor and do industry research for the rest of the time. And this summer I will be in Seattle interning at Microsoft.
I chose to study engineering. Actually, I was lucky that my high school was a technology high school. So my junior year of high school, I took this design technology class. And it was basically you design things in CAD on computers in the front half of the classroom, and the back half was you're building what you just designed. So it was very basic engineering of, I was making salad tongs out of plastic and like simple projects, but it was the first look of engineering as like a hands-on real-world application. I could use these salad tongs after. It's not just pure science and math, and I really love that. So this summer I will be a systems integration intern with Boeing out in the middle of the desert on a Navy base, and that's really exciting for me, and I'd like to kind of continue down that path after I graduate of hopefully being working in systems engineering or systems integration for any type of aerospace company, whether it be small fighter jets or commercial airlines. I'm open to anything.
As you can see, there are so many different reasons to study engineering, and countless things that you can do with an engineering degree. That's all for now. Be sure to tune in next time and fight on.